I really love when I'm at work and people ask what my favorite sports teams are, and I tell them I don't really care. And they just treat me like, oh my God, I can't imagine why you are so dumb for not watching sports and the news and all this other stuff. And like, it's crazy how a video about finance can get a couple thousand views in the first 24 hours, but a video about sports can get a couple million views in an hour, right? Like, people just get so fired up about that. And I get it. Sports is exciting, it's fancy, it's whatever. It's also a huge waste of time. Like, if you're not playing the sport, you're just watching, like, it's cool, I get it, but like, you could literally watch 4, 5, 6 hours of football on a Sunday and not do a thing. And now, if that's what you do to relax, that's great, but don't tell me you don't have time to work on your goals if you're going to watch 6 hours of football every Sunday, right? Like, you are wasting almost a full day's worth of work to watch someone else do something while you sit on the couch and drink a beer, eat food. Now, I understand that you probably lost a bunch of you here. The news is the same thing. So these are things that get you riled up emotionally, fired up, whatever. They don't actually do anything to improve your well-being. You're not getting any exercise. You're not learning anything new. You're not improving on yourself. You're not bettering yourself. You're not working towards your goals. So if you want to take that time to react or to relax, I'm all for it. But I just want you to understand that I don't really enjoy watching sports, and that's okay. And you might enjoy watching sports, and that's okay. But you need to focus your priorities and understand what it is that you're focusing on and what it is that you're prioritizing in order to be successful. You need to find, like, the first thing I recommend to people is to cut out as much TV as possible. News, sports, movies, like, make some time for it if that's how you relax, but do not spend the day in front of a TV, right? Unless it's like YouTube educational stuff or podcasting or whatever. Some of that has some value, but spend time learning, spend time taking action, spend time doing. Like, right now, I could be watching a movie right now. In fact, I would probably much rather watch a movie right now because I'm just not really in the mood to film a whole bunch of videos, but I'm filming the videos because I need to do that. And then when I'm done filming these videos, I'm going to list a new room on Airbnb for my house, profitable. I'm going to work on my mastermind group, which is helping others. I'm going to watch a couple videos on a copywriting course that I'm trying to do. And I'm going to try to edit one of these videos and get it ready to post. And I'm going to make sure a couple other things that I was trying to do end up being recorded, end up going on the computer, upload, whatever, so that my entire week will now be set up for productivity. Now, I'll get some time to relax. I'll probably watch a little TV or some YouTube or something later on, but after I get a whole bunch of other stuff done. So you need to prioritize and make sure your delayed gratification, like, make sure you're doing the hard things and the things you don't really want to first, so that after the fact, you're able to relax and know that you accomplished something. Don't waste the whole day watching sports and then be upset that you didn't do anything. So that's my 2 cents on sports. Get out there and be successful.